bahai tong joto no. So unfortunate nka like few days back chini busazuk chini Tiprasa busazuk masa rape khajaka abo nin logi bangmano it's okay dongna tangka and aje Hamya Khai borok manjaka police by and asha khai borok je bongni deserving punishment au borok manai hanai. Leaving aside all these things, one thing is disturbing me a lot, which is kabangma sini Tiprasa rok mane comment khayu, which is alka zatni by tongai tau khai khajago tomushtan bagi ati khajago. What do you mean by alka borok by tongai alka zatni borok by tongai ni bin tomushtra hanai bo ati khajago? What do you mean by that? I don't understand this fucking shit. Tabu wansuli nin tomushtra nin tomasama saya nahalo wajeu tong yang thangai. Does it give me freedom to rape you? Like, come on, sensible way kok sali. How can you bring out that sentence from your mouth? I don't understand. Like, at the point, at the time when someone is going through worse moment, at point on ngajin chau je tomushtan bagi alka zat bai tama bagi o bore haikai alka ko o sergeant la dang hamusa bai janbo rape khachwati hane. This doesn't make any sense at all. And one amaching sa bahai thinking atike phai, instead of supporting that person, instead of saying things which will comfort that kid, extra klaite wo horo petrol saritong, which is not appreciable. Ekdom tolak lai jaga ti kokrok kai ati korone accept kameya wansuna di tabu who the fuck our party day who the fuck gives us or you like each and everyone so how right rape khani bin tomu shitra thu bin toma sama sayang thu bo dunya guri waja thu. Who the fuck are we? Who the fuck are you? Who the fuck am I? So how right rape khani bo no. She's a human too. That kid is a human just like you, just like me. Who the fuck gives us that right to rape and bring out that sentence? Bin tong bagai wati khajago bo jaka sijak tong tomung ati hinkai ati khajago honai. Then what about those kids? Oh bacha 4-5 years as a drop infant je rape khajanai bor khatamo buman bhogo tongphun simi ko tam tomushtrang phayo bor khai. I don't understand. Logically think khai kok sari rape among genius like je manjane bon sai manai. Even I don't know how it feels, but at least learn to keep quiet when you don't have anything good to say or support khaimi angkai. It's not about chini nijini hani busazuk nei support khane natiya. Just a jaga phanung thu, just a country nu phanung thu, just a state nu phanung thu. We need to support jafati moment ungfru. Nijini sauk lai asak, nijini kapalak lai asak. No one will understand. No one will understand. Same jinis nini sajagni sajlan loking hakai. That time you will realize, that time you will understand what it feels like to go through this kind of situation. At the time character no point out khaibu character biang ni phai ke at the point of time is it bin tal ka siak tong I am this kind of girl, you can rape me? It's really disappointing. Hai kai shin borok no hai ke comment khama no we like fucking like I'm really disappointed. Ang obidu khai ang kuno mane icha tongmaya sanan ke no, but after seeing all those rubbish comments tongmalia I had to make this video. Doesn't matter who the fuck you are, you need to clean your mind. That's it. Masugui naidi. Kisa thanda mathai bai. Asugui shinkai. Rape. Tomu shitra bai khaje gaya. Someone who is wearing short dress ati je bono rape khainani. Salwar kanza kori go rape khajago. Cerai 12 বছর, cerai 10, 11, 12. 5, 6, 7. As a drop, like I mentioned before. Jotono khajao. If je khainani intention hamya hangkai. And those who are going here and there, typing all those comments with your fucking free internet, stop doing that. Stop doing that. When that same fucking situation, I hope ati tangthun logi, but when that same situation will come to you, in your family, apro bujhe nai. That time you will understand how you have given that comment. Apro bujhe nai. Baki comment di. Bun bepar hakai shui. Tomung ni bagi, tomung siran bagai, hakai unko rape kajau honi. Chikon issue abo. It's a huge thing. Onek otar jinis. Bokhorna clean khai di. That's it. Asana, hambai.